The Unity Walk began as an opportunity for BCA students to come together and strengthen our sense of community. Over time, it evolved to include the entire district community, emphasizing respect for one another despite our differences. The purpose of the Unity Walk is to bring people together in a spirit of unity and understanding. We approach the walk with the mindset and principles of Dr. King, promoting peace, respect, and equality. This year marks our 9th annual Unity Walk. Our goal is to recognize and demonstrate that we, our district community, and beyond can come together peacefully and remain unified, both inside and outside of school. The response has been overwhelmingly positive. Participation is not mandatory, yet most of the school community chooses to attend the Unity Walk in the following presentation, which speaks to its impact. The Unity Walk has also expanded to the middle and elementary schools where the participation is just as positive. We host several events throughout the year: a fashion show celebrating Black culture with various Black designers and artists, a toy drive. We partner with Treasure Green, another former PW high school alumnus who donates toys through her organization, a job fair that we plan with the former PW alumnus Emma Walden. We do Step Into Reading, where the live and direct STEP team teaches elementary students how to step, and then they read children's books by Black authors. We also do an HBCU college trip. We also do BCA bingo to raise funds for our scholarship fund. And we also do food and school supply drives. We hold general meetings every Friday in the auditorium and leadership meetings every other Tuesday. We welcome everyone to attend our meetings and participate in our events.